Hey, what's going on? It's Farhad, guys, from Aesthetics. It's a beautiful morning, Sunday morning. We're actually headed to the Cars and Coffee. We're gonna go there. It's maybe like a 20-minute drive. But yeah, I'm gonna switch over to my FPV mode. All right, guys. So we transitioned over to the POV camera. So I got my coffee, as you guys can see. Got my Dunkin', got my water. Now let's look for the address. Where is this location at? All right, showing us 20.
Drive northeast, then turn right.
All right. So it's this morning. I checked the weather, and I thought it was gonna be a little cold, which. It is. So what I did was I was like, you know what, let me just wear my sweater. It's gonna be better. And then now it's like almost 70 degrees and it's getting warmer, so I'm thinking of taking my sweater off. Let's spot how many cars we can see on the road. We're gonna go see Lambos today again. Yo, one day my goal is to take a Lambo. So far my experience here in North Carolina, it's okay. There you go. Oh, there's a lot of people. Wow, look at everybody looking. I see an Audi. Ooh, look at that M. Look at that M. That's a nice M. So we're gonna try to go find a parking somewhere. Oh, damn, what the hell is that? That looks like some Mad Max shit. Oh, no parking here? Damn, I can't park here. Yo, I gotta see that. This Mad Max shit right here. Oh wow, yeah, I'm gonna have to show this. That looks crazy. Can't even find any parking. I mean, this is a smaller one. Yo, the one I went to the other day in I think it was Mooresville. That one is way bigger. Oh, I could park here. Yeah, I can do that. I'll just park here. I'm like the only X3 here though, guys. I don't know why he got a GTR looking logo right there. Okay. Oh shit. So we're gonna go check out the car, but first let's check out my car. Wait, did I even turn off the car? I don't think I turned it off. Yeah, I didn't turn off the car. Okay, let's turn it off. I don't know what this is, but got them big old engine. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, what is that? A GTO? No, it's 5.0. Mustang. Porsche. Wide body scat pack. That's pretty fire. Wide body scat. Wow. Custom wheels. Yeah, this place is pretty small. These bikes. Wow, this car was 4,600. $4,600 for this? Guys, 46 of 1972 Pontiac Lemon 400 engine block. I'm not seeing any. I mean, we are seeing a lot of Chargers and Cherokees. Got a cold air intake in the supercharger. Wow, supercharged. Fire! Really, really fire ass car. Yes. I mean, come on, what you showcasing over here? Batteries? LC. Yo, look right here. Look at this. This is one hell of a ride right here. That Max shit right here. I bet this thing be pulling. Oh wow, look at this challenge Charger. It's a new Charger EV. What's that? Is this the Durango Hellcat? Love this color. Well, this Mustang is fire. Not a Mustang, sorry guys. Corvette. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back to my car, drink some more coffee, you know. And then we're gonna come out, talk again. Ambulance right here, guys. I don't know what kind of ambulance this is, but it's a sweet ambulance. And we can't find any Lambos today, but what we did find a BMW though. Look at this one. Z1 fire. This Porsche looks sick. I only see a Lamborghini, so I'm gonna go and take a video of that just to show you guys what kind of Lambo it is. It's a pretty sweet Lambo. It's a I think it's STO. So we're gonna go and take some videos of it. Maybe if we get a chance, talk to the guy. Bought it with the Bitcoin, but this thing is sweet. Holy shit. Lamborghini. Oh man. Oh, it's an Evo. I don't know why he didn't wash it. But yeah.
It's dirty, huh?
Hey man, can you start the car for us? Can you start it? Alright, we're gonna. Nice. Damn. Woo, that thing is loud, man. Holy shit. Do it one more time, one more time. That's nice, man. Sweet ride. How much do these things go for? Like 300-400?
Huh?
300-400? Oh wow, sweet. That Lamborghini exhaust was fire, yo. The exhaust was so loud it blew my ears out, man, almost. Holy shit. Yeah, man, that's a dream car, man. One day, I'm gonna get that car. One day, I'm gonna get it. God said it's a lot. I know it's a lot. We're gonna go head back inside the car and we're gonna start heading out because it's actually getting empty right now, as you can see. All right, guys, so we enjoyed it a little bit. It was not bad. Let's switch over to manual mode. I mean, sports mode, so we can peel out. Peel out right now and see how fast we can go. And all these cars clear out. Hey man, bro, you want to race? You want to race? I'm fucking with you. You gonna smoke me, man. You gonna smoke me. I already know that. Take care, man. Oh man. If you guys did like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Yeah guys, peace.